Welcome to Showroom Window by Marshall, your personal video presentation service.
Thank you for clicking on DV18CVG. Here we have the Karoq in grey manual petrol. We have the dashboard of the Karoq. Some of the standard specification comes with dual climate control. You have the infotainment system, which also comes with SmartLink and Apple CarPlay, and LED headlights and automatic lights. We have the interior of the Karoq. One of the standard specification also comes with back folding tables at the back seats. And then here you have the standard boot. The alloys. Thank you for watching.
Thanks for watching Showroom Window by Marshall, your personal video presentation service.